The next one is Karnataka singing. It's a song which is going to be sung by Shivani Madan, Amrita Shivakumar, Nidhi, and Vidmahi. And Vidmahi is going to come and explain a bit about what this song is all about.
Maitri Bhattacharya, the song was originally written by Paramacharya of Kanchi and performed by M.S. Subbalakshmi at the 50th anniversary of the United Nations in 1966. We are singing on the occasion of century celebration of the Queen of Music, Bharat Ratna M.S. Subbalakshmi. It is a Raga Malika composition set to Adi Talam.
Maitrim bhajata akhila rucheti. Maitrim bhajata akhila rucheti. Amadeva paranapi pashyata. Amadeva paranapi pashyata. Yuddham tyajata spardham tyajata. Yuddham